Priyanka. I recently upgraded my kitchen and I bought myself Prestige Royale Plus Schott Class 3 burner gas stove, and trust me, I am in love. Let me tell you more about its features. Tri-fin burners in small, medium and large sizes are included with this manual gas stove. The body is power coated and the Schott glass top ensures long-term durability while retaining a stylish appearance. Schott creates world-class glass with innovative and stylish designs thanks to its experience in glass manufacturing and German technology. This type of glass is more resistant to thermal shock and mechanical impact. It also has SABAF gas walls, which have been imported from Italy and are designed to operate smoothly and safely. Even the knobs have been ergonomically engineered for ease of use. Finally, rubber legs support this device, ensuring that it remains sturdy and solid in its position. I bought mine in black, but this stove is available in a variety of colors and burner combinations too. Prestige Royale Plus Schott Class 3 burner gas stove has truly transformed my kitchen, and trust me, you should also check this out.
Hi guys, I'm Anagha. Today I have with me the Butterfly Smart Glass 3 burner gas stove. This has made cooking a breeze for me. Let me show you. Made of toughened glass, this glass burner looks elegant and will add to the beauty of your kitchen. It is made practically so you can cook multiple dishes together without them ramming into each other. To use, attach the gas to the cylinder carefully and then use a lighter to ignite the burner you wish to use. The stove comes with high thermal efficiency, good quality brass burners, designer knobs and uniquely designed pan support for ease while using. It features a 360-degree revolving nozzle that makes cooking easier. This gas stove is made with intelligent features that will make sure that you enjoy cooking.